So traditionally in Boxcutter, we had a grid where whenever you hold control, you're able to just roll the wheel to make the grid larger and smaller on the fly as needed. However, whenever it came to extending on its functionality, we also added a few additional options to try to make people's lives easier. For example, right now, in order to keep this grid up, I have to hold control, and the moment I release control, the grid is gone. However, I could activate this lock icon where if I tap control, the grid will remain up on screen, allowing me to work without the need to have to hold down control. However, I could hold down control in order to roll the wheel in order to make the grid smaller, and this was kind of the foundation of our classic grid, and below is me using it in action like so with this classic system. And of course, we added support for it to be able to support all the orientation systems. So for example, I can choose something like nearest edge and just grab an edge very close to where I cut that angle and begin working off of that angle and continuing on with my day with performing the cut. And that was where we kind of left off with the infinite grid.